In this video, I want to show you how to add a custom thumbnail to your video, to your YouTube video in just 60 seconds. So it's so simple. It's very simple. What you need to do is that you open your YouTube Creator Studio right here. So I've opened my YouTube Creator Studio. Now, some of you, maybe you don't have access to add a custom thumbnail to your YouTube video. So you just need to go to the settings at the bottom left corner right here. Let's check whether you can add a custom thumbnail to your YouTube video. So after doing this, you click on the default upload right here, and then you click on the advanced settings. Let's go back, click on the channel here, click on the advanced settings at the channel side. You can see a feature eligibility right here. So we click at the feature eligibility right here. You can see intermediate feature, standard feature, and then advanced feature. Now you can enable all these features too. You can enable one of them so that you can add a custom thumbnail. You see the intermediate feature at the second right here, video over 50 minutes, custom thumbnail, and live streaming. So before you can do video over 50 minutes, custom thumbnail, and then all this, you need to enable this feature right here. Now you need to close this. Let's go back and add a thumbnail to our video. Now we are eligible to add thumbnail to the video right at our dashboard right here. So you see some features at the top left corner. You can adjust your screen how you want it. So you click on the second feature right here. These are where your videos are. So after clicking here, you see my videos and then my thumbnail, my videos, and then all this. Let's just click on the first video right here and then change the thumbnail. That applies to how to add a new thumbnail. Maybe you've posted your video, you want to add a new thumbnail. It's the same thing. You click on the pencil sign right here at where your photos are. So after clicking on the pencil sign to edit my video, I scroll down here and then you see thumbnail right here. You can adjust your screen. So I select on the thumbnail like this. You see some 3 dots over there. You click on the 3 dots and then you see change, download, auto generate, and then all this. You click on the change to change your thumbnail. Same thing applies to when you want to add a new thumbnail to your new video you want to post. It's the same process. You click on the change, you go to your photo library, your gallery, or whatever this thing that you are using. I go down, let me just use this thumbnail as an example. Your thumbnail should be the right size, 1280 by 720 pixels, what YouTube actually recommends, either PNG or JPEG. Like that, you have added a thumbnail to your video. So easy and then simple. Remember, your thumbnail shouldn't be more than 2 megabytes and it should be 1280 by 720 pixels, JPEG or PNG. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give me a like and then subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next very video.